Hi guys, my name is Priyansh and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 6b. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly in your WhatsApp. So thank you so much. Here the number is given. You can contact us. So this is the number which is 900 936 8238. You can save this number for future purposes. And question number 6b is collect the photographs based on different folk art forms and make a collage on an A3 sheet of paper. Then write a description on how elements of art, line, color, form, texture, and space, etc., are used in those. So we have prepared this project in the different types of folk, and we have written the descriptive note. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide accordingly in your WhatsApp. So for this, please contact us today. We will provide accordingly. Thank you.